Today my mission is to chip some sticks using a 1960s 3 kilowatt generator hooked up to an electric chipper. This unit was built in Holland and exported to a Caribbean island. But will it work, and does it really produce 3 kilowatts?
When I tried the generator to run this, it really didn't work. It needs... Oh no, it's jammed. How useless is that? Hey wonderful people. So my mission today is to use this guy. This is a 3 kilowatt, supposedly, Dutch generator. Voltmeter, fuse, turn the electricity on and off, and starter. What's unique about it is it's a dyno start, meaning that it has a combined dynamo and starter system. So let's turn on the gas and see if it runs. I think it's probably from the 1960s. It was exported from Holland to some Caribbean island. So, as they say, contact.
But it didn't work properly. Immediately I discovered it didn't really produce 3 kilowatts. Not enough power anyway to run the electric chipper. So I hooked up my YouTube sign to see at least that it was producing some power, and it was. So I gave up with the generator and switched to EDF power. So I guess that was failure number 1. The 1960s 3 kilowatt generator really didn't produce enough power to drive the electric chipper. So let's see how good electric chippers really are. And straight away you will, like me, discover the problem. You really can't put big sticks or even multiple sticks in an electric chipper. You can feed one stick at a time, but that's pretty useless. Plus the sticks need to be straight, and it feels like you're putting your hand right into the chopping mechanism. They're just not powerful enough. And this is the next big problem with electric chippers. They jam, even with small sticks.
Let's see if we can get it unjammed. Unplugged. And let's get all this out.
So you have the unenviable task of putting your hand into the sharp cutting blade. Of course, make sure it's unplugged, but it's a pain.
They might work.
So be really careful when you're doing this, because the blades are super sharp and really, it's a faff.
It seems to jam up pretty easily.
The idea of electric chippers seems like a good one, but really they're pretty useless. My neighbour's a farmer and he has a PTO power takeoff tractor chipper that he can shove just whole logs in and makes piles of lovely chestnut chips. But in my case, it really doesn't work.
Really not that good. I think the problem with these electric chippers is they just don't chip. I like the idea that it was electric and not a gasoline motor, but you know what? It's useless. I was hoping that you could just throw giant logs in here and it would fire them out as chips, but no. Anyway, that's what's been keeping me busy today.
I really wouldn't recommend an electric chipper. Go out and buy a powerful gasoline or petrol powered one, or drive one off your tractor, because only those really work. Well, thanks for watching. When I'm not making films about UAP, I'm looking after our goats or trying to chip wood on our farm. Stay tuned, and remember, it's because of you and your input the truth is out there.